Hey lovelies, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are well and staying strong. So in today's video guys, I want to just quickly show you my no makeup everyday routine, because during the month of summer I do not like heavy makeup anyway. Even in winter as well, I'm the kind of person that hardly put like heavy makeup, but in the summer I just go as minimal as possible. And afterwards I'm going to be showing you my outfit of the day, so to end the video before I dash out, if that makes sense. Anyway, if you see my face for the first time, I am iGladon. You are welcome to my channel. So on this channel I do fashion and I do beauty. If you know you enjoy fashion, do not hesitate to subscribe, because this is the place to be. Without any further ado, let me just dive right into this video. I don't want this video to be long at all. So just in case I'm looking down, my mirror is just kindly here. So and my products are here, but I'll try and be showing you guys what I'll be using. My face is already cleaned and hydrated. So the first thing I like doing, I'm just going to go in with my brow. So lovelies, I just discovered this this brow art pencil. This pencil is amazing. It's like a liquid pencil. I'm just going to open it. It's like liquid inside. This is from L'Oreal. So I will try to list as much products that I will be using today down in my description box, just in case you want to get hold of anything. So you could use the link down the description box. So this is what the pencil looks like. When I first picked this up, I was just like, I tried it on my brow. I didn't really see anything. I was just like, so basically you have to let it dry before you can actually see the effect. So yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and brush my brow out. Define my brow a little bit with concealer, just to kind of give it a bit of shape. So what I like doing now, I'll take my concealer. So I'm using the L'Oreal concealer. So I just look for areas that are dark on my skin, and I will just put my concealer basically just to hide any spot. I can't really complain at the moment because my skin, I've been on top of my skincare. It's a bit, my skin is a bit really nice at the moment, so I can't really complain too much about my skin. So I'm just going to kind of dab that in using the Lancome extra wet foundation. So I'm just going to go. So basically this is what it looks like. So I just squirt, like, should I say like 2 pumps or 1 pump. So I'm just going to try and spread that all over my face. I'll just dab it in all the area that I want it to be, because the point of concealing the dark spots is just to use as minimal foundation as possible. So I have this Smashbox contour set that I have, so I could just use this one to twig. I could just use not to brighten under my eyes a bit. My Lancome loose powder, just to kind of make everything sit properly. Just a little dust on my brush. This is like, I don't know if it's a lazy makeup, or sometimes when the makeup is too much, it's not for me at all. My MAC, by the way, my MAC palette. So I'm going to go with a very nude color, because this is like everyday makeup and it's during the day as well, so it's not night. So I'm going to go with something a bit nudie, just to kind of, that's very me, just to kind of hide everything. I'm just going to use my eyeliner just to line my eyes a bit. I'm going to go with my Revolution highlighter just to kind of pop the area that needs popping. So I'll be using my highlighter brush just a little bit, like my cheekbone, for example. This is the look, my everyday summer look, not too heavy, very light. So I'll go with my chestnut at this point, my MAC chestnut, just to line. With my L'Oreal, this is 275, so this is like a kind of a nudie lipstick. I love the ombre effect that I'm getting from this. Oh my gloss. Just dab a little bit of gloss to that. So basically, this is my no makeup everyday summer makeup that I like doing. Not too heavy, not too dramatic, just really subtle. So this is the makeup. What do you guys think? Do you think you like it? This is like everyday makeup, like the glow. My skin is coming up because I've worked so hard on my skin. I don't really want to cake my skin or build it my skin up. So this is like my everyday makeup that I like doing. But I don't put makeup every day, just when I feel like putting makeup that I put makeup. It's very quick, it's very easy, so you could choose not to use some of the product that have the extra product that I've used. Sometimes I don't even use the contour set. I just leave it like that with just lip gloss and eyeliner with eyeliner and the bottom line as well. So I'm done. So it could be as easy like that, so you could build it up if you would like. Let me go put my outfit on, then I will see in my mirror, show you guys my outfit of the day. Yeah, so let me go and get dressed and show you guys. This is me. I'm just about to dash out already to run. So what do you guys think of my makeup? I'm just trying to look for a nice angle. Yeah, anyway, so no, I'm quite happy with it. I'm happy to do makeup like this and just dash during the day, because sometimes when you get sweaty in the summer, you know, it's not a joke. You don't really want makeup running down your body. So yeah, so no, this is what I usually like doing, so I thought I will share this with you on this platform. I will share this with you. So today I'm putting on a shirt. So this shirt is from I actually got this shirt from Zara. I really love the giraffe print on this linen shirt, so it's like my summer staple. I really loves it. And I'm pairing it with this short because today is kind of a hot sticky day. So, and I have my little flat and my Palama hat with my wicker handbag. So I really do love this look. I will try. Yeah, I really love this look. So it's a really like a relaxed, cute, casual summer look, but it absolutely look well put together. And I've got my little I've got my sunglasses here, because when it gets so bright, honestly, when it gets so bright, guys, absolutely squint my eyes, so I always take my glasses everywhere. It's like essential. I think I have to do my summer essential for you guys to see. It's essential for me, especially on a sunny day. I kind of frown a lot, so with the help of my glasses, you put that in check for me. So I'm just loving my relaxed look, you know. So let me know what you think of this look by commenting down below.
Are you taking a picture?